Alright, I'm looking at the basics of 3D CAD to start this series. One thing, every time you double click on that, it changes it between basically single mode and and multiple viewport mode. So I've got it set to perspective. In here, but you might want to set these to parallel. So and maybe in wireframe, you know, that's what I usually put it in. You know, apparently switching to wireframe just automatically changes it to parallel, so that's good. Like I said, I guess you can have a perspective version of that, but I think it just defaults to that. Well, shit. It defaults to that. But, you know, this was pretty intuitive. Now, I made this object in the 3D basics, but, you know, this is a full-blown 3D. So I'm, you know, going to have to look this over, but, you know, it doesn't look that, you know, out of whack.